Good morning, students. How are you? Hope you all are fit and fine. Myself, Nima Dabi, your science teacher. Dear students, today we will learn chapter number 1 from our Canopy term 2. Okay, so before starting the chapter, let's see what is the thought of the day. So, the thought of the day is it is very easy to defeat someone, but it is very hard to win someone. It means that if you want to defeat someone, it will be very easy for you. But if you want to win someone's heart, someone's soul, it will be very hard. So, every time, try not to defeat to anyone. Just learn how to win someone. Okay? So, students, in your Canopy term 2, your first chapter is the human body. Okay? In this chapter, we will learn about our body, human body. So, let's get started. So, first of all, we will learn what is organ. Your body is like a machine, but you can think, smell, and do many things that no machine can do. Yes, we can do many things that no machine can do. So, the organ is one of the part inside your body that have a particular function. One of the part inside your body that have a particular function is called organ. Your body is made up of many parts that work together. Yes, our body is made up of many parts that work together. Each part has its own job. Each part of the body that does a special job is called organ. Each part of the body that does a special job is called organ. Okay? So every part of the body has different function. All right, so the function performed by each part are called organ. Dear students, can you tell me how do you know about the things around you? How you will know that the things around you? How do you know what is happening around you? How you will know? You will know all these things with the help of your sense organs. Okay? You will know all these things with the help of your sense organs. So let's see what are your sense organs. So, your sense organs are seeing, hearing, smelling, tasting, and feeling. Repeat after me: seeing, hearing, smelling, tasting, and feeling. Okay, so today we will learn about all these sense organs. In that, our first organ is, what is this? Yes, this is eyes, right? So, the first sense of organs we have studied is seeing. Okay, how can we see? We see with the help of eyes, right? You can see the things around you with the help of your eyes, right? You can see the things around you with the help of your eyes. Eye is an amazing sense of organ, right? Sight is one of the 5 sense organs that help us to get information about what is going on in the world around us. Your eyes help you to see colors. They also help you to make out if something is far or near. Yes, and eyes also help us in reading and writing. Right, students? So, your second sense of organ is hearing. How you will hear? You will hear with the help of our ear, right? You can hear what is happening around you with the help of your ear. The ear is made up of 3 different sections that work together. to collect sounds and send them to brain. The three different layers are the outer ear, the middle ear, and the inner ear. Dear students, this is the example. How you will identify a pleasant sound and unpleasant noise, right? If somebody is playing piano, it will give a relief, a peace to your heart, right? By hearing it. And if somebody is playing loudspeaker, it will affect and it is an unpleasant noise. Okay, so with the help of ear, you will identify both the things. Your third sense of organ is smelling. How you will smell? You will smell with the help of your nose, right? You can smell the things around you with the help of your nose, and it is very, very important. So let's see what are the example. So here are the two pictures. Okay, one picture is a beautiful smell of perfumes, and in another picture there is a garbage. Okay, so how will you identify a beautiful smell and a weird smell? Yes, you will identify with it the help of your nose. Your nose help you to say if something smell nice or bad. What do you do when you enter a dirty room or smell garbage? Yes, it will smell bad. So with the help of your nose, you will identify good or bad smell. Nose is the body's primary organ of smell and also functions as part of body respiratory system. Now, your fourth sense of organ is tasting. How you will taste? You can taste the thing with the help of your tongue. Tongue is a flexible organ. It helps us to distinguish four common tastes: sweet, sour, bitter, and salty. Let's see this with this example. Here are the two pictures. A picture of an ice cream and some chips. Okay, so how you will identify which things are sweet, salty, sour, and bitter? Yes, it will help, tongue will help you to identify, right? So here ice cream tastes very sweet and chips or wafer taste salty, right? So your fifth organ is feeling. How you can feel things around you? Yes, you can feel it with the help of your skin. Yes, you can feel it with the help of your skin. Okay? Let's see with this example. How will you feel that? How will you identify that something is hard in touch or something is soft in touch? Yes, you can feel it with the help of your skin. The skin on any part of your body can make you feel if something is hot or cold, rough or smooth, hard or soft. With this example, you can learn easily how skin help us to feel. So the five sense organs, seeing, hearing, smelling, tasting, and feelings that help you to know the world around you. They are called the five senses. The five part of your body that help you to do these things are eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and skin. These are your five sense organs. So dear students, here we have completed part 1 of chapter 1. So I will see you in the next period with a new topic. Till then, take care, stay home, stay safe. Don't go unnecessary out. Alright, stay home, stay safe. Take care. Bye-bye.